Hadin Baga University of Science and Technology Gabadan Habari Dua Kandai Riboy District Kalayo Ikajing Itu Kabakarpang Hakakardan Grade A Nakatana National Assessment Accreditation Council Haga Katway Tirik Mentau Banai Umunti Rang Ba Kajilau Konar Ke Sang Mau Lej Ban Jurib but I see Mikinong Kit Kam Jakate School Ba but Kum Juru Ban Kit Bok Kit Riang Bakum Ka School Ba Kanang La Ban Shakri Kisamla Puli Hagijing Puli Baper Hagani Singi Konar Ke Sang Mau Lej Ban Pleru Yumat Sa Nam Jong Mahatma Gandhi Haplau Jagani School Ba but Ula Jurib Yaka PA Sangma International Block Ban Kmi Yaka Central Instrumentation Center Laidan Langru Hagani Singi Umahabubul Hok Chancellor ka USTM, Dr. SP Agarwal, Director NISAC, Department of Space, Jongka Sarkar India, Baru Prabha ke R Shukla, Vice Chancellor ka Nehu, nang ta ki nohikai ki khna puli Jongka Nega School ba. Haba jingkran hakane ka singi, ukondat ke sangma kam umintu rang ba ka jala, ulapan pau ka jingkamen ka bakraw ban sakhi ba ka Nega School ba ka badan hapo ka jalahi, Hariboy District, ka la ban long ka weni ki school ba hapo ka than chite lamingi, ban yo ay ka jingi thu kat kum ka grade A, hapo ka sansnem, na po ka AAC baru lakit bok ru bakani ka school ba kan la ban kinjo sha kata kathong ban yo ek kerdan AA+ hapo ka snem aja apnrio.
I'm sure with the enthusiasm, the zeal, the commitment that each one of you has, I'm sure that A++ is not too far away. So I'm very sure that you will be able to achieve that. It was in 2008, I vaguely remember it, and we were sitting with the Education Minister, Mr. Manas Chaudhary, with the then Chief Minister, late Dr. Dawn Kuparoy, with my late father, who was the State Planning Board Chairman, late P.S. Sangmaji, and I was Finance Minister of the state at that point in time. And we were discussing about this project. And there was so much of enthusiasm, I remember, in my late father's voice. He was so sure that this project would really take off well and convinced everybody that we must go for this. He must have obviously met Obstab, and his enthusiasm and his zeal must have rubbed into my father, I'm sure, at that point in time. And he saw the potential that he had. And he heard the story of how this particular institution has come up right from the ground to where it is today. So let us all again put our hands together for Obstab, for his leadership, his commitment to all of you and to the state and the region as a whole.
Our faculty members, well-wishers and parents must speak about what we have done. But we are not very much concerned what we have done, we are very much concerned for our future. And that's why we are visioning for 2026 for the next assessment, 5 years. And it was the chairman of the NAC PI team openly in front of some selective students of the campus said that this was called exit meeting. He openly told that I could not give any such kind of information that what grade this university will achieve, but it is sure that this university will get A++ by 2026.